This footage was recorded in Flint, Michigan on the 24th of April, 2023. The home was equipped with 2 Ring cameras, one mounted above the garage and another installed as a doorbell camera. At around 10 p.m., a man wearing a red jacket, accompanied by another person behind him, approaches the front door and appears to knock or ring the doorbell. Moments later, the man in the red jacket begins aggressively trying to force the door open. The impact knocks the Ring doorbell camera to the ground, but despite the repeated attempts, the door remains intact and does not open. After those few seconds, the man walks around to the house's side door and again immediately starts trying to break it down. By this point, the homeowner had woken up in a panic and was checking their camera's feed for an explanation. They noticed their doorbell camera on the ground, and so they switched over to their other camera. The banging noise rang out throughout the house, and they could now see what was causing it. The homeowner's voice coming through the speaker was enough to scare the 2 men away. Police were called to the scene, and after reviewing the footage, they noted that one of the suspects was armed. What the 2 men intended to do had they managed to break in remains unknown, and it is unclear whether they were ever identified. Almost every night, a sleepwalking neighbor appears in the backyard and does things that are genuinely unsettling. Mandy, a woman living in Western Massachusetts, began posting dozens of disturbing clips on TikTok that were recorded by security cameras around her home. Each video shows a similar pattern. A nearby neighbor repeatedly walks over late at night, wanders around the property, and behaves in a strange and unsettling manner. It was later revealed that the woman suffers from a severe form of sleepwalking, and for reasons no one can explain, she seems drawn specifically to Mandy's yard. In the footage, she can be heard making disturbing noises, growling, hiding as if someone is after her, approaching the front door, and whispering in an eerie voice, asking to be let inside. Mandy has repeatedly asked her neighbor to either secure her home at night or seek medical help, but the issue has been ignored.
All right, so she ran up through there, and then she came behind that tree, and she ran this way. It looked like she went either behind that shed with the garage door or between the 2 sheds, but I'm not 100% sure. I know she ran in this direction. However, it was so far away that I couldn't tell if she actually went behind and into the woods or if she just went down the driveway and onto the road.
She has contacted the police several times, but nothing has changed, and the unsettling situation continues night after night. In 2019, a homeowner in the Elysian Park neighborhood of Los Angeles would capture one of the most disturbing pieces of doorbell footage to ever surface online. In it, a car can be seen slowly driving past the house, while the sound of a woman desperately crying out for help can be heard coming from inside the vehicle. Reports of a possible abduction would quickly follow, and the doorbell footage would ultimately prompt authorities to launch an investigation into the incidents. Police initially said there was no clear evidence of a kidnapping, but the footage seems to suggest otherwise, showing a woman crying and begging for help for over 30 seconds. The car would pass by the camera at around 11 p.m., just as the homeowner stepped outside to see what was happening. She would later claim to have heard a man's voice saying sorry as the vehicle drove past. According to her, the footage also appears to show the man pulling the woman's hair while she sits in the passenger seat. The vehicle would then leave the neighborhood with its trunk still open. After the video was shared online, authorities would launch an investigation into a possible kidnapping, but it would ultimately produce no results. A homeowner in Texas would get a knock at her door for a DoorDash delivery at around 1 in the morning. The only problem was that she hadn't ordered anything. She was fast asleep at the time, with only her and her nephew in the home. She would later recall waking up to a metal clinking sound, but didn't think much of it. It wouldn't be until the following morning, when she noticed damage to the outside of her house, that she decided to look back at her cameras, both the doorbell footage and the one she had set up in her backyard. This is what she saw.
DoorDash.
The first video isn't as concerning. A woman standing at the door claiming to be with DoorDash from 1 to 2 in the morning. This could be written off as a determined delivery driver who unknowingly had the wrong address. It was the backyard footage that was genuinely concerning. At 2 in the morning, 4 men got into the backyard and tried to gain entry into the home through a window. It's likely they planned on entering through the front door by ambushing the person that opened it for the DoorDash delivery. But when no one answered, they resorted to trying the backyard, while the fake DoorDash deliverer stayed out front as a distraction. However, fortunately the men would be unsuccessful, and are shown running away from the house on the backyard camera. The 4 men and the woman at the front door were all seen leaving the area together in a dark-colored sedan. They were never caught by police. In 2022, a Reddit user uploaded this disturbing ring camera footage with the caption, "Zombies want your brain." The video shows a young man in a bandana, covered in what appears to be dirt or blood, repeatedly slamming himself into the front door of a house. On his third attempt to break down the door, he apparently knocks himself out after hitting his head. Stumbling from the impact, the man collapses over the front porch railing, knocking over an ornament in the process. He groans in pain as he flails his arms and raises his legs, seemingly trying to get back on his feet, but the video ends before we can see what happened next. After the footage was uploaded, many viewers would comment that the man was probably under the influence of hard drugs, which would explain his erratic movements and violent behavior. Other users would suggest that he might have had a seizure after hitting his head on the door, but because the video was uploaded with no context or explanation, it's impossible to confirm what actually happened that night. The homeowner would never see the man again. On the night before Thanksgiving in 2020, Joey Archer, his wife Beth, and their young daughters were asleep in their home in Rainier, Washington, when they were suddenly awakened around 6 a.m. by their doorbell ringing frantically. Thinking a neighbor might need help, Joey rushed to the front door. Meanwhile, Beth checked their security cameras and was shocked to see her car was no longer in the driveway. What she saw next was even more disturbing. A bearded man she didn't recognize was outside, trying to break into Joey's car using a shovel. When Joey got to the front door and saw it for himself, he realized the man appeared unstable and potentially dangerous. He decided not to confront him directly, and instead called the police, helplessly watching as the man continued to smash the vehicle. Meanwhile, Beth ran to their daughter's rooms to alert them. She told them someone was trying to break into the house, and instructed them to climb out the window and run to the barn to hide until they figured out what to do. As the girls ran for safety, Joey noticed the intruder had shifted his focus away from the car and was now approaching the house, still holding the shovel. Realizing their lives were in immediate danger, Joey waited until the man smashed the glass on the front door, then grabbed the shovel from him and struck him twice in the head. He chased the man into the yard and managed to pin him down until the police arrived. Out of concern for their safety, the family chose not to publicly identify the intruder. However, authorities charged the man with residential burglary, trespassing, and attempted vehicle theft. Trying to piece together how the man had gotten onto their property, the Archers reviewed their security footage. What they discovered was chilling. The man had been lurking around for nearly half an hour before anyone woke up. He'd rummaged through their garage and had even managed to back one of their cars into a ditch. In a Facebook post after the incident, Joey described the ordeal as every father's worst nightmare and urged other families in the area to install home security systems for protection. Following the terrifying event, Joey purchased both a shotgun and a pistol and upgraded the barn's locks and surveillance systems to make sure nothing like this ever happened again. As for the man, it was never confirmed whether he was under the influence of drugs or alcohol, but the fact that he stood at the door ringing the bell for several minutes before trying to break in strongly suggests that he wasn't in his right mind. It's possible he was suffering from a serious mental illness. But since the family decided to keep the case private, we'll probably never know for sure. In October 2021, Reddit user Protomancer uploaded footage of a man crawling and slithering through his neighbor's yard in the middle of the night. There doesn't appear to be any context surrounding the video, but most users attributed the man's particular behavior to drug use or possibly mental illness. Even though he isn't hurting anybody, this is probably not the type of person you would want to run into on your way home in the middle of the night. The man in the footage hasn't been identified, and it's unclear if he was ever seen in the area again. This clip, which began circulating online without any context, it appears to be security footage from a camera mounted on the porch of a home. An unknown person dressed as a clown walks up the porch steps carrying a sack wrapped in red fabric. It looks like he's trying to send some kind of message to the homeowner, or maybe just scare them by leaving the sack at the door and knocking. But the real question remains, what's actually inside the bag? The clown then starts wandering around the porch in a seemingly random way, peering through the windows in the front door. The video that spread online cuts off shortly after, leaving viewers disturbed and wondering what happened next. Later, it was discovered that the video had been uploaded to the YouTube channel Billy the Fridge under the title Creepy Killer Clown Sighting. Most likely, it was simply a prank played on neighbors or friends, which means that whatever people imagined was inside the sack was probably nothing more than a prop.